Okay, today we're going to have a spelling lesson on doubling the final consonant when we add a suffix. Okay, so sometimes suffixes can be added to a root word, and the root word will not change. Okay, so if we're adding the suffix ing or ed, the root word doesn't change. For example, here in resting, the root word of rest is not changed. Opened and dreaming, the root word hasn't changed. However, sometimes we must double the final consonant before adding the suffixes ed or ing. Now, a consonant is any letter in the alphabet that isn't a vowel. So our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Now, look here. If we have the word running, we've got two consonants. We've doubled the last consonant in the root word, which is run. So we've got two N's. In jogging, we've got two G's. And in trip, there is two P's. We've doubled the final consonant of the root word. Now, how can we know whether to follow the double consonant rule? Now, we have to follow a rule which is the 1-1-1 rule. And what that means is if the root word has one syllable and ends in one vowel and a consonant, you need to double the consonant at the end when you add the suffix ed or ing. So if we have a look at the root word of run and we want to add the suffix ing, well, there's one syllable in run. Okay, there's a u which is a vowel and an n which is a consonant. So we would double our consonant and have two n's, and you can see that here. Running has two n's and then the suffix ing. If we have a look at jog, now you can add ed or ing to jog. Okay, and jog actually has one syllable. It has an O, so one vowel and one consonant. So we would double the consonant to jogged or jogging. Last but not least, we have trip down here. Okay, and it's got one syllable, one vowel, and one consonant. So you can see that if we had tripping or tripped, you would double the consonant. Now, the reason why we don't have any change in resting or opened, so if we look at rest, the root word rest, there's one syllable, yes, okay. There is one vowel. However, there is two consonants. It ends in an ST, so you don't need to double the final consonant. Now, if we have a look at opened, we have one vowel and one consonant, but open, the root word open, has two syllables, open, okay. Now, I thought I'd leave you with this table here, okay? So we have words that follow the double consonant rule would be beg, flip, plan, stop, thin, rub, step, stir, tap, and wrap. Okay, and that's what they look like when you've added the suffixes ing or ed.